Good morning, folks. Yet another short update, and this one will be a short update. I'm currently busy soldering up my motor wiring. What I mean by soldering it up is by soldering on the connections for connecting to the motherboard. This is my fifth and final cable now left to do. I've got my flux all sitting there. I've got my solder, my sponge, soldering iron, and the heat shrink. So basically, I've got the heat shrink on. I generally dab a little bit of flux in all of my joints. I made these small sockets up earlier in the evening. This stuff comes in strips. Well, what came in strips. So I just cut it to length, and then I don't know if the camera will focus on that, but I filed it sort of smooth in on the surface that I'd cut, because it was, a little bit sort of jagged and broken. And that then gets soldered to the wires for the motor. I've got there a diagram to refer to for the wiring on the ramps board. And over here I have the cables I have. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about this. These are the finished products. Reasonably neat and tidy. I don't see anything wrong with it. The solder connections are quite strong. Then I've shrunk the insulation into place. So that'll be that's one. They're all the same. That's another one. Hold on. Doing stuff like this with one hand isn't easy. Right, okay. So here, this is all the ones I've done. That's one. So yeah, takes a lot longer than you think. Little jobs like this. You got to be quite precise and neat, and I've done work like this in the past on things for wiring looms for the motorbike and other pieces of equipment. But what you find is that the first one you do, your hand's always a little bit shaky, or you got your elbows in the right position, or the soldering iron's not hot enough or something. But after you've done the first one, then after that it sort of generally goes a lot smoother, and you kind of get into a rhythm almost, and it goes generally speaking, quite easily. I find soldering quite relaxing and easy to do. Same as welding, welding's, I want to say I'm a good welder, but I can certainly join two bits of metal without fear of them falling off, So that's nearly another one of the jobs on the list finished, and I'm pretty much beaten out more this morning, so I'm going to get this finished off, and then I'm going to hit my sack. Hit my sack. I'm going to hit my bed, or go to the sack. I think I'll leave that in, why not? So yeah, catch you later, folks. Bye for now.